I made a lint dinosaur this weekend, too. It's a Trilintotops, and I'm donating it to your collection.
Awesome! Tomorrow after school, we can play with the whole collection. Roar!
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 Roar! Roar!
All right, Carl, that's about enough dinosaur roars for...
Reach, bing, 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 honk.
My collections are arranged in order of when I started them.
Pew, pew, vroom.
But I have been thinking about reordering my collections according to the alphabet. Collections starting with letter A up here, all the way to collections starting with Z at the bottom.
What are those white things?
That one.
Oh, yeah, I forgot about that collection. Pew, pew, vroom.
It used to be my favorite, but not anymore.
Pew, pew, vroom.
Hey, hear that?
Feeling is sad.
Me too.
Aww.
You have to? I don't want it to go away either.
I get it. The thought of saying goodbye to Stickville is sad because it's making you so happy right now.
Woo, splash. Oh, that reminds me of the time I kept trying to whistle through my teeth. Remember that, Carl? My mom tried to teach me how. I tried and tried. I practiced and practiced. And then one day, I finally got it. And now I can whistle.
One day, I will build the biggest pizza pyramid out of playing cards. And I will officially be in the Fuzzy World Book of Records. Unless I try to break the record for performing most magic tricks underwater. I am also very good at magic tricks.
Is it okay if I get some of my family to help?
I don't mind.
Good. Then let's get listening. Our next lesson is body listening, where you listen with more than your ears.
But my ears are the only parts of me that can actually hear anything.
True, but there are other things you can do with your body to let someone know you are listening. Let's try it out. Now here to share a story is my cousin Brittany Beaver.
You are listening.
Great job listening with your body, Carl. And now I have one last lesson to show you.
Why are you putting all these amazing things around, Coach?
We're pretending that someone has an important story to share, Carl. Your mission is to listen to the story and not be distracted as you walk by all these
Hi, Sheldon.
Hey, Sheldon.
Carl, arugula, check it out.
Nice horn.
Thanks. My bike's all ready to ride.
That is a silly bike horn, Sheldon. But I have a serious question for you. Wait for me. I'm coming.
Hey, Carl, we're flying kites in the park.
Can't talk now. Gotta have an important conversation.
Hey, Carl. What you up to on this toasty day?
Sheldon, today I've realized it is important to let people know you appreciate them and to thank them for doing the thoughtful things they do.